Just got in the DSH 600X Hilti concrete saw. I was gonna open it up and see what all comes in the package. Plastic all around it. Comes with a maintenance kit with extra air filters, spark plugs. That's what it looks like. Comes packaged with one of their Superformance blades. It's the SPX blade. That's what comes with it, 12-inch blade. Also in the box is the set of retaining flange nuts that holds the blade on. Those are for the steel cord blade. It comes mounted with the composite flange nuts for using composite blades on it. And also here, the owner's manual with all the instructions and everything is in the box. And also, like one of the screeches, the wrench for changing spark plug and tightening up the flange nuts and all on the blades and all. Comes with that tool also. So that's everything that come in the box and packaged. Separately, also come in a separate box over here on the side was the water pump. Just come in a separate box that you just mount on it. It comes with the hose and everything to adapt it onto the unit with. Also, very good made pump. We use Hilti products at work, and I look to getting a lot of long-lasting years out of this unit right here. But that's everything that comes with it. And the consumables kit. This is what all comes in the consumables kit. 2 air filters, an extra cranking cord, or several cords, fuel filter pickup out of the tank, like an extra one, and a spark plug. That's everything. 2 filters, spark plug, fuel pickup filter, and extra cranking cords. So that's everything.